Welcome to Reclaiming Yoga. Today I have December morning yoga. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Come into mountain pose. Stand tall at the top of your mat and let your arms rise with your inhale. Feel the breath traveling through your whole body, brushing away the heaviness of winter morning. With every exhale, soften your shoulders, your thought, and the expectation you place on yourself. Let this be your gentle beginning, a place where you return to your true rhythm. Inhale and exhale. Fingertip on your shoulder, roll your forward. Switch direction as if brushing off dust from your heart. Feel each circle melt the unnoticed tension within you. Let one arm sweep back, creating space along your heart, space to breathe, to feel, to be. This practice isn't about perfection, but about remembering gentleness. Switch side. Lift your arm and stretch long through your side body. Let your ribs expand like morning light. Switch side. Even on cold days, your body still knows how to bloom. Hold slowly and let your spine cascade down like a waterfall. Release yesterday's weight and anything you don't need to carry. Let gravity support you. Arms up, come into chair pose. Sit back gently, awaken your legs. Strength can be soft, quiet, rooted. Your softness is not a weakness, it's your power. And hand to the mat, bow down. Slowly roll up. Interlace your finger behind you and lift your heart. You don't need fearlessness, only willingness to open little by little. Come into mini sun salutation. Arms up, palms touch, hand to the heart center. One more, arms up, bow down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step your feet back. Plank pose. Exhale, lower your body. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, down dog. Lengthen spine. Exhale, stretch your shoulder, back, legs. Focus on your breath. Lower your chest towards the earth and allow your heart to melt. There is nothing wrong with slowing down or needing softness. Puppy pose. Inhale and exhale. Come into cross-legged seat. Twist gently and create space inside your body. For breath, choose and yourself, let all the energy rinse away so you can meet your day with clarity. Switch side. Slowly release. Come to seated and massage each toe gently. Your feet carry every step you take. Offer them tenderness. Bring your hand to your heart, feel the warmth you created. Take this softness into your day. You can always begin again. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.